and now we will discuss some of the very important questions related to the topic, and I hope you are able to answer these questions. Just note it down this concept: lesser the pressure or lesser the area, there will be more pressure. More the pressure, there will be, we have to apply more force. Why the cutting edge of the knives are sharp? Why the cutting edge of the knife are sharp? When the cutting edges are going to be sharp, their area would be, area क्या हो जाएगा, area would be less. अगर area हमारे पास कम हो जाएगा, the pressure would be more. Why? Because pressure is inversely proportional to area. I hope it is clear to you. Whenever the area is going to decrease, the pressure is going to increase. Okay. Now next one is why the school bags are provided with wide straps. जो भी जिससे आप होल्ड करते हो अपने बैग्स को, they are having the wide strap. Why the straps are wide? Because if the straps are wide, the area would be, area क्या हो जाएगा हमारे पास, area would be more. So the pressure would be, very good, the pressure would be less in that case. So it will be easier for us to hold the bags. And next is why the camels walk easily in deserts. देखा है ना आपने deserts में camel बड़ी easily walk करते हैं. Why it is so? Because जो camels के feet होते हैं, they are very broad feet. उनके जो feet होते हैं वो कैसे होते हैं? They are the broad feet. Broad feet की वजह से हमारे पास क्या बढ़ जाएगा? The area would be more and the pressure would be less. So अगर pressure कम होगा हमारे पास, so they can easily walk, उनके जो पैर है वो रेत के अंदर नहीं जाएंगे. They can easily walk in the desert. A sharp nail easily penetrates into the wood than the blunt nail. Do this question by yourself. Why a sharp nail easily penetrate into the wood than the blunt nail? I discussed this concept with you. If you want to increase the pressure, the area would be less, and if you want to decrease the pressure, area would be more. And with the same amount of force, if we are considering two situations with the same amount of force, but in one case if we want more pressure, so we have to decrease the area, and if we want less pressure, we have to decrease the area. Pressure and area, they are inversely proportional. So this is the concept, pressure and the numericals related to the pressure. So go through these examples very carefully.